The thing about dynamic port forwarding is that it is used in tandem with something called proxy chains. And here I have a nice little chat GPT, little prompt that I put in where it essentially explains what proxy chains does, which essentially is, and what it does is you have proxy chains, you go into the configuration file and you set up the port, right, 8080 to the same one that you had set up to the dynamic port forward. Go into the configuration file, edit the port, and essentially anytime you interact with that port, you are able to scan the device. So you run proxy chains, you run the nmaps scan, input whatever flags you need, and then you put in the IP address. And since you put the port 8080 in a configuration file, proxy chains already essentially knows to interact with that file. So this is something that is very common that hackers use to be able to enumerate into internal networks that they know that they don't have access to. And it allows them to move laterally, pivot, and take over the whole entire network.